Sunquick Lanka Private Limited, is a joint venture between the Danish company KRO and the Sri Lankan firm CW Mackey plc, with roots dating back to 1942. The company has been a prominent name in Sri Lanka for over 45 years, becoming a household name in the squash and cordial drink categories. The company specializes in the production and marketing of non-carbonated, fruit-based squash concentrates and ready-to-drink fruit beverages under the internationally recognized Sunquick brand. Its manufacturing operations are based in 2 locations in Sri Lanka, Meheragama and Horana, and it employs a workforce of over 1,200 people. Sunquick Lanka enjoys a dominant market position within Sri Lanka, holding over a 70% market share in the squash and cordial manufacturing segment. Beyond its local strength, the company has a significant global footprint, supplying its products to over 70 countries across the European, Asia-Pacific, and Middle East regions.
The company's core purpose is to provide the wow taste to the customers through great tastes and amazing experiences. This mission is guided by its core values: innovation, trust, quality, and sustainability. In today's competitive landscape, Sunquick Lanka considers data to be the fuel that drives the organization forward. The company places paramount importance on data-driven decision-making, so much so that information is formally recognized as the 6th pillar of its overall organizational strategy.
Prior to its digital transformation, Sunquick Lanka operated entirely through manual processes. This reliance on physical records and disconnected systems presented significant challenges. For instance, when a defective product was identified, tracing it back to its specific raw materials, packing materials, and quality assurance parameters was a lengthy and inefficient process. Even with meticulously kept manual documents, this traceability exercise could take over an hour, hindering rapid response and resolution. The company recognized that these manual processes were causing considerable difficulties, including operational delays, a critical lack of real-time data visibility, resource mismanagement, and, most importantly, a landscape of disconnected systems. To compete effectively with other world-leading companies in the industry, Sunquick Lanka realized the imperative need to automate and digitalize its operations. In 2022, the company embarked on a comprehensive automation journey across every part of the organization, including the factory, supply chain, and quality management. The central goal was to consolidate all information from every operational area onto a single, unified platform, thereby empowering decision-makers to solve problems quickly and effectively. This transformation was executed in 2 key stages. First, Sunquick Lanka began with digitization. This involved the fundamental conversion of analog information into a digital format. The company systematically recorded its manually written inventory details, employee information, and other critical data into a digital platform. Following this, the focus shifted to digitalization. This stage went beyond simply converting data. It involved using technology to improve and redesign entire organizational processes. New records are now created directly within a connected digital platform. This shift has significantly improved the overall efficiency of the organization, allowing decision-makers to retrieve information and make data-driven decisions instantly, without the need to consult multiple departments or sift through countless physical documents. The impact of this integrated system is evident in daily operations. For example, when purchasing raw or packing materials, the invoices are uploaded directly into the main system for payment processing. The system is designed with validation checks, so if an employee makes an error while entering invoice information, it is automatically corrected at the point of entry, thereby reducing human errors. Furthermore, Sunquick Lanka has enabled real-time data access across the organization. This connectivity means that if a breakdown occurs at any point in the production process, other relevant areas of the factory can be notified immediately. This allows them to stop related production lines promptly, preventing further waste and inefficiency. This is how Sunquick Lanka successfully leveraged digital tools to automate data gathering, creating a connected, efficient, and data-driven enterprise. Let me explain how Sunquick Lanka uses their Promise system as their first key business analytics application. Promise serves as the central data collection system that connects all parts of their organization, including supply chain, production, and finance, since they started using it in 2023. When we look at the input data attributes, Promise gathers structured data from multiple sources. It collects real-time information directly from the factory floor, including machine speed measurements, downtime duration records, batch quality metrics, and shift performance data. Employees also input additional structured data through the platform, such as inventory details, employee information, and sales details. The analytical and decision model used in Promise focuses primarily on data aggregation and real-time monitoring. While Promise itself serves as the foundational data collection layer, it works with descriptive analytics models that process the incoming data. The system performs basic reporting and trend analysis, then feeds this organized data into visualization tools like Power BI for deeper analysis. The outputs and decisions supported by Promise are crucial for daily operations. The system enables managers to identify underperforming machines and understand defect patterns.
This leads to concrete decisions like adjusting machine configurations for better output, scheduling maintenance based on actual equipment performance data rather than fixed calendars, and targeting operator training to specific shifts that show performance issues. The outcome has been significant improvements in production efficiency, major reduction in defects, and decreased unplanned downtime across their manufacturing operations. Now let me describe Sunquick Lanka's second key business analytics application, Microsoft Power BI. This platform takes the data collected by Promise and transforms it into actionable business intelligence that drives decision-making across the organization. Looking at the input data attributes for Power BI, the system primarily works with structured data fed from the Promise system. This includes real-time production data like machine performance metrics, quality control measurements, and operational statistics. Additionally, Power BI integrates data from other business systems including financial information, sales data, and inventory records, creating a comprehensive data ecosystem for analysis. The analytical and decision model in Power BI employs several advanced techniques. The platform uses descriptive analytics through interactive dashboards and data visualization tools that allow managers to see performance trends at a glance. It enables diagnostic analytics through correlation analysis, helping identify relationships between different variables, like how specific shift patterns affect defect rates. The system also uses trend analysis and performance benchmarking to compare current operations against historical data and targets. Having mastered real-time data visualization with Power BI, Sunquick Lanka is now advancing into predictive analytics and AI integration with Microsoft Copilot by early next year. This marks a shift from understanding the present to anticipating the future, turning data from a diagnostic tool into a proactive guide. By leveraging predictive modeling, Sunquick will analyze historical and real-time data from its Promise system to forecast outcomes and make smarter decisions.